Hi there.
Hey.
If you're in the business of manufacturing goods, you'll know that getting control of your total inventory, orders, and supply chain ecosystem can be challenging and take a ton of time away from actually growing your business. That's why we've created TradeGecko for Manufacturing to help you take back time and gain control of your workflows from production through to fulfillment. With TradeGecko for Manufacturing, you will be able to effectively handle simple manufacturing workflows, enabling you to manage the assembly and sale of your products in a modern, multi-channel commerce and supply chain ecosystem. Whether you're a business that manufactures your own goods for sale, uses a contract manufacturer, or manufactures products for other businesses and need a B2B e-commerce platform to manage inventory and sell wholesale, TradeGecko for Manufacturing is the solution you're looking for. With TradeGecko for Manufacturing, you can create and manage your bills of materials and account for finished goods' complete list of component parts. We've also added the option to include notes, instructions, and free-form fields to manage labor costs and more. You can also create production orders for bills of materials and account for their start state and end state as finished goods. Once your production order is complete, TradeGecko will sync all required information with its core inventory systems and integrated accounting platforms, updating wastage and appropriate ledgers, and providing everything else you'll need in order to keep your accounting team happy. If your manufacturing workflows are more complex, requiring workshop task assignments and the ability to quickly manage master production schedules, our ecosystem integrations will allow you to do just that. By joining forces with Katana MRP, we can help you manage those complex manufacturing workflows, while you rely on TradeGecko's core functionality to manage your multi-channel and multi-location business from a single, centralized location. With TradeGecko acting as the central hub for your business, you can connect and automate all the elements of your commerce and supply chain ecosystem, give you more time to spend with your customers, and focus on growing your business. To learn more, request a demo or start a free trial today. Transforming your business is easier than you think.